Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change an IP address on your Windows client. So we have to click on this little icon of network, open network and internet settings. Next we have to click change adapter options. Properties. And here we have to find this one, Ethernet protocol version 4. We click properties and here we can just type our new IP address. For me it will be something like this. As you can see, mask is always just type it automatically, but gateway you have to type on your own. And we're just gonna click OK, close, and it's done. Thank you guys for watching.